So let's talk about extensions. Postgres extensions are plugins that can install inside Postgres to actually extend functionality that Postgres alone doesn't have. These plugins are taken care by extended communities. Postgres has many popular extensions, and to see how many, what extensions are available for the one that you're managing, for Postgres that you're managing, you can use my script under the folder administration, extensions available. And you run it, and there you have it. You can see them all. Some of them are very popular. AM check for verifying relation integrity. H store for storing sets of keys and values. Another one, buffer cache, to examine the shared buffer cache. PgChrome as a job scheduler. PgHint is the only way that Postgres really can take a hint. Partman to manage, automate partitioning. PgRepack, the oldest way to manage to manage bloating, uses triggers. PgSQL does the same, manages bloating but uses replication slot. PgStat statements is awesome. It manages, or it keeps tracks of query performance. PgAudit for auditing. Crypto to encrypt at the column level. PgLogical is no longer that relevant. PgStat tuple, yes, for statistics. PostGIS for geography spatial. Foreign data wrapper, yes, for remote PostgreSQL servers. And vector. Vector has become essential for artificial intelligence. So those are for the available extensions. Now, if you want to see the ones that actually are installed, you need the extensions.sql. If you execute them, then you see the ones that are installed, where, in what schema are installed. You see? Okay. So there you have it. You have to run this on each database. So when you run it, you're not gonna see the extensions installed on all the databases. You're gonna see the ones that you are on the database that you are connected. In this case, I'm connected to IQ Toolkit test in the schema public. So I'm not seeing the one that is connected in Postgres or other databases. So there you have it. It's all about extensions. Hope you like it. Remember to subscribe and keep your database safe.